Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to pin text on Instagram story. For that, we need to go to Instagram account and here we need to click on your story and we need to take one some picture. I was taking one picture and here we see the A symbol. A symbol is the text symbol. So we need to pin. Mm, I was texting that family marriage. Uh, us texting on marriage and we are here we have a different types of text of different fonts. Here we see different types of fonts. So I was taking one font. I think it's good. uh, like this we can pin Instagram text on Instagram story and I was posting that to my Instagram story. Thank you.